Here I am at Mount Beauty. This is the Big Hill mountain bike park. For my first ever ride here, I'm going to do the up track, joining onto the big up, and once I'm at the top, I'm coming down BANANARAMA. That's cute, they just add in a few little things like that. Oh, I see there was another option up there, A-line. Right, next time. Alright, so it looks like I've come to my first trail junction that's marked. You are here. Hope you can see that. I'm about to do, I don't know what number, but I know it's over there and it's called Big Easy Up. I have no idea what number that is. Anyway, let's go. Okay, so it looks like I've made it to the top and there's tracks behind me and either side of me and forward. Now what I'm going for is over there, BANANARAMA, and that's my descent, so that was pretty easy. One thing I will say is I was just having a chat in the car park to the girls. So there's quite a lot of girls this morning I saw here, so that's really good to see. And they were very friendly, and I've only given me the tip that it's a little bit dry, so a little bit different to where we've been, where it's been wet. The only obstacle is a little bit dry on the downhill. Alright, so let's give it a go. BANANARAMA. This is a dark blue, apparently, and this is our downhill, I believe. Didn't even realise that was an obstacle. Okay, first time ever seeing this track, so you're going to have to forgive me. We've got no one in front of me to follow. No idea what to expect. So I'm probably going to go a little bit slower. And there we go. Yeah, okay. Usually takes me a little while to get warmed up. I see, yeah, it's pretty dry, roots and everything. Okay, so that is the end of my ride, and I've only done 5.23. Verdict, average. Did I have fun? 2, 3 out of 10. Sorry, wasn't a winner for me.